Good morning everyone present here. I am Yonit and today's topic is energy and its conservation. Firstly, what is energy? Energy is the capacity to do the work. What are the types of energy? The types of energy are renewable energy. This is an energy that is generated continuously without decay of source. For example, solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectric, water and light. Non-renewable energy. This energy is produced from the ground and will end in a short span of time. Example, coal and petroleum. The types of renewable energy are sun for solar energy, water for hydro energy, and heat and light. Non-renewable energy. Train needs petroleum to go, which will lead to the fossil fuel become less because of that. Fuels will release smoke. And nuclear energy. Energy getting wasted at home and public places. Forgetting to switch off lights, fans at electronic devices when not in use. Use of inefficient electronic devices. Use of dishwater and long showers leads to waste of more water. Use of automobiles individually leads to shortage of fossil fuel. Why to conserve energy? Sources are getting depleted. Demand in population is increasing. Resources will get exhausted. People have to think of other sources of energy. How can we save the energy? In transportation, use public transport. Use carpool. Carpool means we can go 4 or 5 people in one car instead of going alone in a car. Use energy efficient vehicles. Use vehicles that do not need lot of fossil fuel. At home, use natural lightings. Work near a window. Turn off the lights, TV, etc. when not in use. At public places, switch off the fans and lights in bus terminals and railway stations. Use street lights only when it's very dark. Lights in big hoardings waste a lot of power. Therefore, we should go for the 3R means. The 3Rs are reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce. Minimize the amount of waste we create. Reuse. Use something more than once. Recycle. Using a product in an effective way instead of throwing it. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sujan. Today I am talking about water conservation. Let's start. Water is essential for life. We cannot survive without water. 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water. In 100%, 97% of Earth's surface is in ocean. 3% is available for drinking. Let's start with chemical formula H2O. H stands for hydrogen, O stands for oxygen, 2 molecules of hydrogen. It is tasteless, odorless, colorless chemical substance. It is transparent. Water takes any shape. We put in a bottle, it takes bottle's shape. Put in a plate, it takes plate's shape. Uses. Drinking purpose, bathing. Cooking purpose, dish cleaning, washing clothes, gardening or farming, hydroelectricity generate and etc. Uses to body. Water helps the body to keep normal temperature. Protects your spinal cord and sensitive tissues. Water protects body organs and tissues. Lubricates joints. Water helps to expel waste, protects kidney and liver. Next goes to water pollution reason. This is picture of waste water into ocean. Bacteria, virus, parasites, fertilizer, feces. Waste pollute water but they cannot be seen because they are invisible polluted. 3 main types of pollution. substance that harm human or animals by causing diseases or physical damage. Substance that decrease the oxygen content of water causing death of aquatic animal life. Water consumption. This is water conservation picture. First one, keep the water body clean like river, lake, ocean, well. Second point, do not use water unnecessarily. Third one, close the tap when not in use. Fourth one, grow more trees and save soil. This will bring more rain and hence more water. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Hi, I am Saurabh. I am studying in 7th standard. My topic is air conservation. First one, components of air. We often take air as a single unit. In reality, air is composed of several gases. First one, nitrogen is 78%. Oxygen is 21%. Third one, argon is 1%. Carbon dioxide is 0.3%. Trace gas is 0.1%. Trace gas is present in small amount. Example, water vapor, oil, human, methane. Air pollution. Pollution is very harmful to our health. The types of pollution are air pollution, water pollution, etc. Air pollution is caused by smoke from vehicles and factories. It is harmful to humans, animals and birds. Greenhouse gas like carbon dioxide and methane have an effect on global warming. Other dangerous chemicals like mercury may escape into the gaseous acid rain.
Where will it escape?
Into the
Where?
into the air and causes acid rain. First, conservation of air. First one, walk or ride bike when possible. Take a public transportation. When was driving, accelerate slowly and obey the speed limit. Plant a tree, filter the air and provide shade. Recycle paper, metals and organic materials. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Devananda. Today I am going to explain you the topic of the evolution of universe. The Big Bang. Time came into existence when the universe began. Space also came into existence. The Big Bang is not the expansion of matter through space, but expansion of space itself. At first, universe consisted pure energy and it began at point called as singularity. It means zero size point but infinite density. It was unimaginably hot. Within trillionth of second, explosion takes place from the size smaller than atom to the size of city. At first, some energy turned into matter from the vast soup of subatomic particle. It means particles smaller than atom. It took 400,000 years for the particles to cool down to form atoms. It took again 300 million years for it to become planets, stars and galaxies. Stars were formed during this time. At 500 million years, the first galaxy is formed. Galaxies are enormous cloud of stars. At 5 billion years, clusters of galaxies were formed. At 9 billion years, our solar system was formed, and at 20 billion years, the sun will expand in size and destroy Earth. Astronomers will estimate that universe consists at least 125 billion galaxies and each galaxy containing 100 billion stars. Our galaxy is Milky Way. Thank you.
What is the meaning of the clusters of galaxies?
Clusters means groups.
Good morning everyone. My name is Trisha. I am going to explain about soil conservation. First, let us understand importance of soil. Soil is a natural resource. It gives water and nutrients to the plant. It is a natural filter of water. It stores carbon that helps to fight climate change. Next, let us understand soil erosion. When the top fertile layer of soil is washed away by natural forces such as wind or that, it is called soil erosion. Some causes are wind, heavy rainfall, overgrazing by cattle, deforestation or cutting trees, construction of building or road. Now let us understand soil conservation. Soil takes millions of years to form. We must protect and conserve it. Stopping the loss of soil caused by soil erosion is called soil conservation. Let us understand types of soil conservation. Afforestation or planting trees. Trees hold the soil firmly. Keeping a check on overgrazing by cattle. Mud or stone boundaries are built along the river to stop water entering the field. Ensuring our soil is rich and fertile is the key to an ecological disaster.
Or stone boundaries are built along the river.
Mud or stone boundaries are built along the river to stop water entering the field.
Okay. Good morning everyone. My name is Mahin. Today I am talking about conservation of wildlife. Wildlife conservation refers to the practice of protecting wild species and their habitat, protecting plants and animal species and their habitat. It is important to maintain ecological balance. Ecological balance means humans, plants and animals should be in a balance and also contribute to human quality of life. The world has total forest area of 4.06 billion hectares, meaning 10.0 billion acres, 31% of total land area. Brazil has 61.9% of total land area covered by forest area. India has 24.62% of total land area. Madhya Pradesh is the
Total land area?
forest area. Madhya Pradesh has the highest forest area covered. Next is Arunachal Pradesh. Let's move on to the major threats of wildlife. Illegal wildlife
Major
trade.
threats of wildlife.
Major threats to wildlife. Illegal wildlife trade. Some people sell the animals to trade, and that is against the laws. The second one, habitat destruction. Spoiling the habitats of the animals. Deforestation, cutting down trees. Invasive species. Some species come from other countries and states, so they can harm the animals that are here. Pollution, climate change, and poaching. Poaching means the species who harm them is called poaching. Let's move on to the ways to conserve wildlife. Introducing afforestation programs to plant more trees. Controlling forest fires. Proper utilization of forest resources. Proper care should be taken to protect the forests from pests. Pests means insects and diseases. 2. Survey and collect all the information about wildlife. Donate. Some animals that are not well and who need food, so we should donate money to them. Volunteer to guard the forest. Planting trees, feeding animals and birds, recycle. 4th December 2023 is observed as Wildlife Conservation Day. Thank you.
What is that recycle mean? What does recycle means there?
Recycle means some bottles and all what dirt can come in the forest, we can recycle it. Any doubts? Some other? Anyone else? Thank you.